I'm at the Birdhouse Nature Company in Orillia, having brought in a Squirrel Buster feeder, which was purchased from this store. The Squirrel Buster provides an outstanding warranty, and Michael is going to show us how he lives up to that warranty by repairing this Squirrel Buster right here.
That's right. Just take the top off. Right off there. Pretty beat up. And it goes in just like that. And gotta make sure the bottom comes in just nice and tight. There. Screw that on. That right there. These can be kind of tricky sometimes, eh? There. And that is one fixed Squirrel Buster.
And that's the kind of excellent service that you get at the Birdhouse Nature Company in Orillia, Ontario.